Established O'Brien Gas and Plumbing business, Ferryden Park. Showing continual growth since its launch, O'Brien Plumbing Ferryden Park is an iconic and trusted name in the industry. Using the latest training and modern equipment, the business provides services across all of metropolitan Adelaide. This home-based mobile service has built an extensive domestic and commercial customer base. Projects include new homes, renovations, domestic and commercial property management, and commercial shop fit-outs. The business also does contract work for Rinnai Australia, Bromic, Sharmic Sheet Metal, plus jobs from O'Brien International. Established in 1991, O'Brien Plumbing's variety of services appeal to a wide range of customers. Work comes from referrals, word of mouth, builders, property managers, the website, and through O'Brien International. This excellent package comes with around $100,000 of assets and a 3-month handover, so don't miss out.